So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full review of a tool called Infinity AI Video Lab 2.0. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is, how it works, what you can do with it, and whether it's actually worth your money or not. So if you're thinking about getting this tool, just stick around till the end and I will tell you everything you need to know. So let me explain what this thing actually is. You know how there are so many AI video tools out there right now, like Google Veo, OpenAI Sora, Runway AI, Kling AI, Pika Labs, Luma Labs, HeyGen, Synthesia, and so many more. And the problem is, if you want to use all of them, you have to go to each website separately, create separate accounts, and pay for each one every single month. That gets really expensive really fast. So what Infinity AI Video Lab 2.0 does is it brings all of these tools together inside just one dashboard. One login and everything is right there in front of you. Now, let me show you how simple this actually is to use. Because I know a lot of people think, okay, this sounds cool, but is it complicated? Is it going to take me hours to figure out? And honestly, the answer is no. It's really straightforward. First thing you do is just log in. That's it. There is nothing to install, nothing to set up, no technical stuff to deal with. You just open it up and your dashboard is right there ready to go. Then you just pick which AI video tool you want to use. So if you want to make a cinematic style video, you can pick Veo or Runway. If you want a quick viral reel, you can pick Pika. It totally depends on what kind of video you are making. And if you have no idea which one to pick, there is even an auto mode that just picks the best one for you automatically. After that, you just type in what you want your video to look like a simple description, and hit generate. That's honestly it. Within a few minutes, your video is ready and you can just download it straight away. So the whole process is basically log in, pick your tool, type your idea, get your video. 3 steps and you are done. Even if you have never made an AI video before in your life, you can figure this out really easily. So now just look at the output quality. So now let's talk about what you can actually make with this thing. And honestly, this is where it gets really exciting because the variety here is pretty crazy. If you want to make those beautiful cinematic style videos like the ones that look like they came out of a movie, you can do that using Veo or Runway. The quality looks really impressive and it honestly doesn't take much effort to get there. If your thing is more like short videos for Instagram Reels or TikTok, the kind of videos that get a lot of views, you can use Pika or Pixwords for that. These are great for making quick, eye-catching viral style content. Now, here is one of my favorite things about this tool. You can actually create talking head videos like a person speaking on camera without ever turning on the camera yourself. Using HeyGen or Synthesia, it creates an AI avatar that talks for you. So, if you are someone who doesn't want to show their face on video, this is a game changer. And on top of all that, you can make 4K quality videos with audio already synced in. Long form storytelling videos, YouTube style horizontal videos, square videos for Facebook, vertical videos for reels and shorts, basically any format you need for any platform. And the best part is, you don't even need a separate editing app. There are built-in editing tools right inside the dashboard where you can trim your video, merge clips together, or make it look sharper and higher quality. Everything is in one place, so you never have to leave the dashboard at all. Okay, so this part I really want you to pay attention to, because this is something most people don't even realize this tool can do. So yes, you can use this for your own videos and content. That's great. But there is actually a much bigger opportunity here. You can use this tool to start your own video business and charge other people money for it every single month. Here is what I mean. They give you the ability to basically run this as your own branded platform. So imagine having your own AI video tool with your own name on it, and people are paying you every month to use it. You are not building anything from scratch. You are not hiring any developers. You are not dealing with any technical stuff. Infinity AI Video Lab handles all of that in the background. We just focus on getting customers. And on top of that, everything you create inside this tool, every video, every clip, every piece of content, you own it completely. You can sell it to clients, use it for your own business, run ads with it, start a YouTube channel with it, whatever you want. They include full commercial rights, which basically means you are free to make anything you create here. So this isn't just a tool for making videos. If you want to be, this can actually be the foundation of a whole business. Okay, so let's talk about the price, because this is honestly where things get really interesting. Right now, during this launch, Infinity AI Video Lab 2.0 is available for just $14.95 as a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no yearly fees, nothing. You pay once and you have it forever. And whenever they add new AI video models in the future, like Veo 4 or Sora 3, those get added to your account automatically for free. You don't need to pay anything extra for upgrades. And if you try it and you don't like it, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there is really no risk involved at all. Now, I do want to be honest with you here, because I think that's important. The $14.95 is the starting price to get inside the tool. But once you are in there, you will see some extra upgrade options being offered to you. These are called OTOs, which just means one-time offers. Let me quickly walk you through what each one is, so you know exactly what to expect and you are not caught off guard. The first upgrade is the Unlimited Edition, which basically removes any restrictions on how much you can create. The second one is the Movie Edition, which is focused more on creating longer, high-quality movie-style videos. The third upgrade is called Autopilot, which is basically for automating your video creation, so the system does more of the work for you. The fourth one is Done For You, meaning they set things up for you so you don't have to do it yourself. The fifth is Profit Kits, which gives you ready-made kits to help you actually make money with the tool. The sixth upgrade is the Agency Edition, which is for people who want to use this to run a proper video agency and serve multiple clients. The seventh one is Unlimited Traffic, which is about getting more eyes on the videos you create. The eighth upgrade is the Reseller License, which means you can actually resell Infinity AI Video Lab itself and keep the profits. And the ninth and final upgrade is the White Label option, which lets you put your own brand name on the whole platform and sell it as your very own product. So that's pretty much everything about Infinity AI Video Lab 2.0. And honestly, when I look at the full picture, getting access to all these top AI video models, no monthly fees, future upgrades included for free, and a 30-day money-back guarantee for just $14.95 as a one-time payment, I think this is genuinely a solid deal. The individual tools alone would cost you hundreds of dollars every single month. So the value here is pretty clear. If you want to grab it, my link is down in the description. It's my affiliate link, which means I do earn a small commission if you buy through it, but it doesn't add any extra cost on your end at all. You pay the same price either way. Now, here is something I really want you to pay attention to before you go. If you buy through my link, I am personally giving you 21 exclusive bonuses completely for free on top of everything you are already getting. And these are not just random filler bonuses. I have actually put some thought into this. You are getting things like a bulk SMS marketing tool, a social media marketing platform, an AI writing tool, a complete email and SMS marketing platform, a QR code generator, a secure payment gateway, video ads training, traffic generation guides, DM search scripts, email marketing training, and a lot more. These are tools and training that can genuinely help you get more out of Infinity AI Video Lab. To see all 21 bonuses in detail, I have put together a full page with everything listed out. The link to that is also in the description, so make sure you check that out after watching this video. Alright? If this review helped you out in any way, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel a lot. And if you want to see more honest reviews like this one, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.